There is nothing quite like the feeling of a brand new MacBook. It's a clean slate, a blank canvas full of potential. But right now, it's just a beautiful machine for watching Netflix or browsing the web with just one hand. It can't even write a single line of a Python, and we are going to fix that. I'm going to show you the first time things I do to turn this from a consumer toy into a professional playground for artificial intelligence. So let's get this thing ready for work. Hey, I'm Shashwat and welcome to Code and Career. Before we start building AI agents and cool projects, we have to forge our workshop. And trust me, a proper setup is a difference between a smooth, fun learning experience and wanting to throw your new $1,000 laptop out of the window. We are going to skip some basic stuff and install our tool the way professionals do. This is the workflow that will save you from a world of pain and get you thinking like a real developer from day one. So let's get into it. So step 1, install the developer's master key, Homebrew. Okay, so what is Homebrew? So let's head over to our Mac and I'll show you what it is. So open any browser you like and head over to brew.sh and you'll get a page exactly looking like this. And let's just talk about what is Homebrew. So Homebrew is basically just a package manager for Mac OS. Think of it like you would not be able to build a race car by buying random parts from a dozen different stores. You had to go to a professional auto parts supplier who has everything you need perfectly organized. Homebrew is our pro supplier for code. And why we are using it? Because instead of hunting for downloading links, dragging file around and cluttering our system, we just type one simple command in the terminal and it will keep all our developer tools in one neat and clean place and makes updating them a breeze. It's a professional way of managing your software. So let's dive back into it. So step 1, open terminal and copy this command and paste right into the terminal and hit enter and let the magic happen. So it may ask for the password, enter it, so as you can see, it is damn that easy. Now you got the master key for our new workshop. So let's go forward to the next step. Step 2, install a clean version of a Python. Now some of you might already knows that Mac already comes with a pre-installed Python. But here's a pro tip. We never touch the system Python. That Python is for the operating system. Think of it like a load-bearing wall in your house. You start messing with it and suddenly your roof is in your living room. We are not that crazy, we are smarter people, I guess. We use our new friend Homebrew to install our own fresh, clean version that we have full control over. Just one command and we are safe. So let's head back to the Mac. So to install Python, let's open the terminal again and type brew install Python. Python. And as you can see, it's downloading the Python 3.13 version. So let it complete. So as you can see, the Python is also got installed. So step 3, set up your digital cockpit. I'm talking about the Visual Studio Code. This is where the magic happens. This is the most popular editor on the planet right now, and I'll show you how to install it on your Mac. So let's dive into it. Same, open terminal and type in brew install -sk Visual Studio. You don't need to remember the command. I'll give you all these commands into the description and in the GitHub repo link. So the Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Let's just close it and try to open Visual Studio Code, VS Code. As you can see, Visual Studio Code. Hit enter, open, and now you can see we have downloaded the entire software in just one single command. So that's the power of Homebrew. So now we are going to install some essential extensions. So our first extension is the official Python extension. Python. Oh, sorry. Let's type in Python again. Click on install. The next extension we need is Pylance. Most of the time it gets installed with the Python, but just click and see if it is installed or not. We use this for smart completion of the code, and basically it's like cheating, but yeah, it is what it is. Our next extension is Jupyter. We need this Jupyter for when we trying to manipulate some data. So I'll explain you all these in details in the next coming videos. So it got also installed. So let's just close it right now. So having these installed, so now it's time for step 4. Get your time machine ready. Install Git. You might have known the moment of pure panic when you change one tiny thing and your entire project explodes. And now you are digging through a nightmares of file named project final version 2. I swear this is it .py. Yeah, we are not going to do that anymore. So for that we are installing Git. Git is a version control system, which is a fancy way of saying it is a time machine for your code, as it takes the perfect snapshot of your work every time you save, so you can always go back. Think like it's a ultimate undo button and the key to your professional portfolio on GitHub. I'll show you how to install it. Let's head over to the Mac. We are again going to open terminal. Yeah, and type brew install Git. Hit enter. Now it's downloading all the files. So as you can see, this got installed. So now we are at our final step. Step 5, master the pro habit. Create virtual environment every time you work on a project. This is a secret handshake that separates beginners from the pros. So some of you might have asked, what is it? It's like building a perfectly clean, isolated workshop for every single project you work on. And why it is must-do habit? Imagine you are building 2 Lego sets. Project A need the old school blue bricks, but Project B need the new fancy transparent blue bricks. If you just throw all the bricks into one giant bin, your project will start a civil war in the middle of your toilets. A virtual environment gives each project its own pristine box of bricks. Nothing ever conflicts. This is the single best habit you can build starting today. So I'll just show you how to create a virtual environment. So now close it. Open VS Code. Click on new file and create a file. Print hello and just save it. Let's change the name. Print. I create a folder on a desktop. Let's just create a new folder. Python create. Let's just save that file on it. Now close it and open this folder. So as you can see, we are in that folder. Now click terminal. Now we are in that Python folder. Now if you are using a Mac, type this command, Python 3 space m venv space venv. The again venv creates a folder name venv, which is a virtual environment, and click enter. Oh sorry, I just mistyped it. Yeah, so as you can see, there's this folder got created. Okay, so as you can see, there's all these 3 files, and you can see as well in this folder we have all these. So that's all for now. I'll go deep dive into it when we start working on these, and that's it. In just few minutes you have gone from a standard MacBook to a clean, professional and a powerful setup ready to tackle any AI project. So your challenge is to follow along and get your machine set up exactly how I show you. And all the commands are in the GitHub repos like I said, so you can just copy and paste. Now that our workshop is forged, we are ready to start building. In the very next video, we are going to write our first line of Python code. If you are ready to start this journey, make sure you are watching either of these videos next. And now I'll take your leave. Hit the subscribe and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy.